What's going on, good people? E-Bibs here, Mr. Remote Life. So we got a good one today. We are finishing the closet project. I know you guys had enjoyed the first one. Thanks for the comments. Thanks for the love. Thanks for all the Instagram and Facebook posts and stuff. So that was cool. But I want to give you guys some backstory what's happening. So I lost the footage. Unfortunately, I lost my footage. I cannot find it. I've been trying to find it for the past week just so I can edit it. I do have the finished product. I have the pre-finished product, like before D went in and added all her stuff. So I'm gonna share all that with you. But what we can do is just to bridge the gap of what's going on and what happened. I want to take you through how this thing looked. So let's jump right into it. All right. So here is a quick overview of what this room looked like. So what we're doing is we're panning in this joint, and it's basically just straight up nothing. We ripped the carpet out. So here's a quick pic of Dee working on the carpet, because you know she is my partner in crime and all. But yeah, so it's just a quick pan of the room. We ripped all the carpet out, and then I came in and put the flooring in. We had a painter come in, paint the whole room, do the trim and all that other good stuff. So here's just what the room looks like, and we got the little massive boob light, and it's just a basic room right off the master. So it's a cool room, cool space. It was a cool idea when we looked at this floor plan. It was like, yo, this will work for your closet space or whatever. We could build it out and do what we did. So let's jump to, this is the we're gonna call it the pre-finished. So I went in, first off, these knobs, check out the knobs. D picked out for the space. I think they jazz super nice for an entrance, just for that, you know, that little girl space, because that's all it is. It's a girl room. But yeah, it has the double doors. It looks good with the glass, and then you just push it open and boom. So from floor to ceiling, we came in, and I don't know if you guys saw before the way I attached the carcasses to the wall. I actually went in and did a grass cloth board to go over that, so that covers up like that ugly little board that was in front of that. So if you can see here, kind of panning kind of quick, but yeah. So we did in case you guys didn't know, we actually have a membership channel, and I went thoroughly through the membership channel, adding automation to these lights. So when you walk in the room, the lights and all the carcasses pop on, and then when you leave the room, they go off. So check that out. Link could be in the description. It's just a membership site, and I got like a lot of behind the scenes videos in there in case you guys were wondering. So go ahead and check it out if you're into it. If not, just keep enjoying this. Give it a like, give it a share. But yeah, so Dee found this Hello Gorgeous sign, and it's really dope. And what I did was, because she doesn't want to always have it on, we put I just put a backup battery on it, like a power brick or whatever, and then she just turns it on whenever she wants to use it on, and then any other time it's off. So, and then this lovely chandelier, as we're leaving out of the space, it's a find that Dee found, and it has something we had to pick up. And then here is the whole thing after it's all said and done. I'm very proud of it. I get tons of compliments on it. Everyone I share it with, they're like, oh my God. And then all the designs and stuff and all the features and stuff, that's all Dee. She even went in and did like coordination and stuff like that. So that's something that you are looking into or you're interested in, that is a service that we do provide. Hit us up, bibs@luxintegrations.com. You know what I'm saying? So let's check out this room. All right, so we pop in here, and yeah, Dee added all the elements to make it a true girl space. So we already had the lights on, just from a filming perspective. But yeah, we went in, and this is the final piece. She didn't really want to do like a lot of stuff. She kind of wanted to keep it basic, because this is like a project house. So yeah, but this is a sample of her shoes. She has tons more, but yeah, it fit a lot of her things. Of course, she got the hunter boots and all the other nice stuff in here. So it's just this pan around and just seeing how you can fit a lot of stuff in here, and it's just a cozy space. So a lot of times I'll walk around and she'll just be sitting here in this chair drinking a glass of tea or whatever, or a cup of coffee or whatever, and just hanging out in here because this is her space. So once again, if you guys are interested in something like this, or you want me to build a space out like this for you, hit me up, bibs@luxintegrations.com. And until next time, guys, we're out of here because we are done with this. So on to the next project. Let me know in the comments. I did a laundry room in this house, and I did a pantry too. So if you guys want to see it, let me know, and we'll go from there, and I'll share it with you. All right, so we're out of here. Peace.